Some of the worst engines ever made are still being sold today.
And millions of drivers don't realize until it's too late.
These engines are known for failure, expensive repairs, and serious design flaws.
Here are the top 5 worst engines ever made, HEPA, that you can still buy today.
First, Ford's 1.5 and 1.6 liter EcoBoost engines.
These engines have been linked to coolant leaks and even engine failure.
Some drivers faced complete engine replacement.
Next, Nissan's 2.5-liter engine paired with CVT transmission.
While efficient, this combo is known for reliability issues.
So this rattling sound is coming from the timing belt. As you can see right here, it's heavily worn and needs immediate replacement.
GM's 5.3-liter V8 looks powerful. But AFM system failures can damage internal components.
Leading to costly repairs.
BMW's N20 turbo engine delivers performance.
But timing chain issues can destroy the engine.
And repairs are not cheap.
Finally, Hyundai and Kia's Theta 2 engines.
These engines have been linked to engine knocking and failure.
In many cases, complete engine replacement was needed.
Not every engine is built to last.
And choosing the wrong one can cost you thousands.
Always research before you buy.
And listen to what mechanics are saying.
Because the truth can save you thousands.